What are we doing here?
Fort the station. Fort the station.
Oh my goodness.
Painting eggs.
We're what?
Painting eggs.
All
Are
right.
these hard boiled?
I don't know. You boil them.
Well.
Somebody will be the lucky one to find out. Neon Molten Magic. We have some wax, some colors, and a blow dryer to melt the wax.
How many colors
Station 1. We have Nature's Palette. So, we just got a bunch of colors with a little Easter egg dippy thing. Over to Station 3 by Laney Pugh. What do we got here? What is this?
I don't know. A box?
24K eggs. What? We're about to be rich.
And
We're going to make some gold eggs.
I guess I have to paint them.
We got 3 stations set up. 3 different stations for 3 different types of eggs. And we are going to show you how this is done.
Let's walk over to this station.
Yeah, this is the wax melter.
Okay. Okay. So with this one, you want to use your paintbrush and pick red, orange, and I think this is blue. Okay?
Yeah.
And take your egg, color it on. Okay? However you want to do it. At the end, you want to take this and put it on your egg. I believe that's what it says.
Because that makes it
'Cause
24
that's what
karat.
makes it 24 karat gold. Or 24 karat.
Real
eggs.
gold.
Okay? So this one is just the regular colors, okay? You can put your egg into multiple colors, just one color, however you want to do it. You get 4 eggs at each station. 4. Okay?
all
Hear
we
that,
have.
Grayson? 4 eggs
so we'll
at
get
each
12.
station. Correct.
4 apiece.
You're very lucky.
12 eggs at each. Oh,
Okay.
trick.
So,
Dude, you better be careful.
try not to spill them. Okay. You're going to do every single station.
I'll do
Okay.
this.
And then come here. Let's talk about this station. All right, come here. No. We're not done. Come on. A little too fast. All right. With this one, Dad's going to help, okay? Same thing. You're going to dip your eggs into each one or multiple ones. And then Dad's going to help you melt some wax onto your egg to make it look somewhat like this.
Whose is going to be the best?
Me.
Whose is going to be the best?
Me.
Whose is going to be the best?
Me. Hold fast.
Mine's going to be the best.
No.
I don't think I get to do any though. I just got to help melt wax.
All right, Benny boy. Oh wow, that is really pretty. That's going to be a really cool egg. All right, how's this wax going on over here? Not good for children, right?
No,
So what's
definitely
your review on it, Dad?
not. I think they suck.
Well, other than that, 'cause I don't like that word. Yep, just like that. Good job. All right, we got Benny over here. Woo! This is so much fun. Oh, guys, so Easter's really special this year. Ma gets to celebrate her birthday, Easter Sunday.
We don't pay for these eggs. We get them from our chicken.
All right, Benny, we almost done?
I have one more after this.
Why don't you set this one down to dry while you're doing your other one, and then you can do that when it's dry.
Ooh, I love that one, Gray. Look at the color and design on that bad boy. All right, let's walk over here and see what station we got going. Oh, looking sweet.
I mean, what are we doing wrong with this whole wax melting thing? Seriously. Anyone ever tried this? Comment down below.
Mine. Sparkly. Okay, this side is blue. Other side is sparkly. Okay. I get one more color.
You got one more color.
No! It's this one.
Okay, well you don't get a whole nother egg. We gotta have 4 apiece, remember?
Or he can use a different color on that egg. I want to do one more because I have one more color.
You can't do one more. Those are Laney's. Go show Mom your shirt.
Look at it. The beautiful five shirt.
That's your Dubuque
Oh,
Five
look
shirt?
at that rainbow color.
I want to do rainbow. I'll do my
That's
rainbow.
awesome,
I'll
dude.
do my rainbow. Look at that, Mom. I want to do my rainbow. Look at that rainbow.
I think you did all yours, buddy.
Wow, that is so pretty.
That one is cool.
Oh my, that's got to be my favorite egg so far. Right?
How's it turning out?
I have to do next one you're gonna like. I have to do
Which ones are yours?
this one and this one.
Very nice.
I have to do this.
Yeah, they didn't quite turn out like that, did they?
But we still need to add this when they dry.
Right. Look at that deep concentration. Staying in the lines, painting the egg.
I like it.
It is
Is that a
truly
hawk?
amazing, folks.
Honey?
One more egg to do. Mom was trying to blow dry wax that wouldn't melt. I tried earlier, wouldn't melt. And Bentley's got a poopy green egg.
That was dark.
Look at these eggs, guys.
This.
So guys, we're just about finished up here. We made a colory mess. We all had fun?
So much fun! I love Easter.
Take your hand.
We
Easter, Halloween.
We love
I mean,
holidays.
We love holidays. We
Every day's
celebrate
an adventure.
birthdays. Yes.
Every day is an adventure with us, guys. And
Every
we're so
day.
glad you can make it today to watch this video.
Absolutely.
And we got to clean this mess up, clean these kids up,
Because it's almost big.
throw them in the tub, and then they're going to bed. So,
No, we're not going to bed yet.
can everybody give a big thumbs up?
Back up.
A message